Today my topic photoelectric effect present by Dodala Lavanya BSc MPC. Here I am discussing about the photoelectric effect. Here I am discussing considering an heuristic point of view toward the emission and transformation of light. It seems to me that the observations associated with blackbody radiation, fluorescence, the production of cathode rays by ultraviolet light, and other related phenomena connected with the emission or transformation of light are more readily understood if one assumes that the energy of it is discontinuously distributed in space in accordance with the assumption to be considered here. The energy of a light ray with spreading out from a point source is not continuously distributed over an increasing space, but consists of a finite number of energy quanta which are localized at points in which move without dividing and which can only be produced and observed as complete units. Einstein theory, the photoelectric effect is interpreted with photons and the conservation of energy with the equation HF equals to positive of mv square. HF equals to the energy photon. Energy of emitted electron versus light frequency. Higher frequency photons have more energy, so they should make the electrons come flying out faster, thus switching to light with the same intensity, but a higher frequency should increase the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons. If you leave the frequency the same but crank up the intensity, more electrons should come out because there are more photons to hit them, but they don't come out here faster because each individual photon still have the same energy, and if the frequency is low enough, then none of the photon will have enough energy to knock an electron out of an atom. So if you use really low frequency light, you should not get any electrons no matter how the intensity is. Whereas if you use a high frequency, you should still knock out some electrons even if the intensity is very low. The light incident on the surface. Here given the collector is positive, metal plate is negative, ammeter, phototube evacuated. Photoelectric effect applications. The photoelectric effect has numerous applications. For example, night vision devices take advantage of the effect. Photons entering the device strike a plate which causes electrons to be emitted. These pass through a disk consisting of millions of channels. The current through these are amplified and directed towards a fluorescent screen which glows when electrons hit it. Image converters, image intensifiers, television camera tubes, and image storage tubes also take advantage of the point-by-point emission of the photocathode. In these devices, an optimal image incident on a semi-transparent photocathode is used to transform the light image into an electron image. The electrons released by each of the photoemitter are focused by an electron optical device onto a fluorescent screen, reconverting it in the process again into an optimal image. Photoelectric effect applications. Photoelectric detectors is one type of photoelectric device. A small can block a light beam. In this case, the reduction in common types of photoelectric unit. However, light is scattered. This type of detector, there is a T-shaped chamber with a light emitting diode that shoots a beam of light across the horizontal all bar of the T-apse. A photocell. Pause it alone at the bottom, exposed to light under smoke-free conditions. The light beam crosses the top of the tin and uninterrupted straight line. Not beam When smoke is present, the light is scattered by small particles and some of the light is detected down the vertical part of the T-stroll, the photocell, and some of the light is directed down the vertical part of the T-tostral, the photocell. When a sufficient light hits the cell, the current triggers the alarm. Solar panels are nothing more than a series of metallic plates that face the sun and exploit the photoelectric effect. The light from the sun will liberate electrons, which can be used to beat your home, run your lights, or in sufficient enough quantities, power everything in your home. Thank you for giving this opportunity to chemistry department.